So we have something a little bit special for you in today's video. Behind me is a beautiful Type 2 camper van. It's a late bay VW bay window camper, commonly known as Combi across the world. But this here is already undergone its electric conversion. So it's already had its engine swap behind me, but we're showing something very unique in this video. So what some of you may not realize is that eDub take care of not just the electric conversion, so the engine swap bit in the middle of the process, we also take care of everything else to do with the vehicle as well. And it's very common, especially with classic camper vans, for people to come to us with the vehicle needing a little bit of TLC on either side of the electric conversion. So that could be some restoration work or some paint work, but it could also be interiors as well. And that's what we're going to be looking at in today's video. We have the incredible Mark from Trim Classics coming to pay us a visit. He's taking care of all of the upholstery that's to be installed into this camper, and he's delivering it in the back of his van today, and I'm so excited. It's going to make such a massive difference. So upholstery is seats, so front seats, cab seat, driver's seat, passenger seat, also the rear rock and roll bed in this version. So that's the full bench seat at the back that changes into a bed, including the additional mattresses that make it a bed. This vehicle's got a pop top, so it's got pop top mattresses to match all that as well. And crucially, the door cards that go all the way around the outside of the vehicle with the upholstery and the fabric to match. And I'm so excited to see it all come together. It makes such a huge difference. So if you're new to the channel, why not hit that subscribe button? That makes a massive difference to us here at eDub, and it also means you don't miss out on any more incredible videos like this one. So grab yourself a cup of tea, sit back, and let's get into it. So what you'll also notice in this beautiful camper van is that there's a few little extra things that are going to be hidden by the upholstery that's going to be fitted today. That's notably some of the kind of sound deadening and the insulation that's gone on behind the scenes. There are two primary ways that we've done this in this vehicle. So number one is, as you can see right behind me, in the back there, we've got some wool insulation. Now that's an incredible find, I think. It was quite an interesting idea. So traditionally the company makes wool insulation for lofts, but they've also seen that there's a camper van market and a van life market, and so they've made kind of the same material but in much thinner strips so it can fit behind door panels. So we've snapped that up, and it does an incredible job at insulating. Obviously a wool, super natural, super eco insulator that keeps it the vehicle stable in temperature, because it's not just keeping you warm on the inside, but it's also helping to get rid of any excess heat. It's trying to keep you nice and balanced. It does a really incredible job. Then also behind that, and also in other areas around the vehicle, you've got some of the sound deadening as well. So we've covered kind of every inch in the back of this vehicle with some Dynamat panels, which are doing a little bit of insulation because there's some metal in there as well that's giving some reflective properties, but it's also doing sound deadening. So these big vehicles, there's a lot going on. And as you're driving, especially now it's electric, so now that you've got an electric conversion and the drive is silent, you do notice all those little extra bumps and squeaks that of course you never would have been able to hear previously because the engine was kind of taking over a lot of that noise. So we've done as much as we can to put the sound deadening down to try and nullify as much of that noise as possible. So that's the other thing that's stuck all behind those panels. And all of that's going to be invisible because of course when the door cards go over the top, it's going to mean that all of that is there and invisible, but does a really, really great job at making the vehicle not just beautiful, but making it really super practical as well. So, hey Mark, how are you doing?
Very well. Good morning, Kit. How are you?
Good. It's a beautiful morning.
It is.
With our very shiny concrete yard.
Indeed.
This causing a bit of blindness on the base.
It's good. It's good.
Good drive up.
Yes, lovely. Thank you very much indeed. All very good.
And we've got a van full of goodies.
We have a van
full of goodies. Tell me a bit more about what's in the van.
Okay, so we've got a late bay that we've done a full interior for. So front seats, rear bench seat as well. All the mattresses for the roof because it's quite a special van in the sense that it is an adventure wagon, which is a rare beast in itself. So mattresses for the top, all the door cards inside as well. So yeah, we're going to be putting it together before the interior turns up a little bit later on, in a few weeks. Yeah,
it should be good fun. I was saying it's going to make such a big transformation, isn't it? How it looks right now, it's a bit bare bones.
Oh,
putting this stuff in is going to make such a big difference.
Yeah, and the customers have chosen well. It's a lovely, lovely fabric as well.
What's
lovely
unique
tweed
about the fabric they've chosen on this?
Well, it's a tweed fabric, but it's very sort of like simplistic, but very, very stylish. So yeah, it's a very nice thing to do, and it's yeah, I think it's going to suit the van superbly. So nice.
Yeah, looking forward to getting it out. So should we unload the van? Let's see what we've got.
Yeah. Right, what have we got in here then, Kit? This is the the interior for the van. We've got all the mattresses, we've got all the door cards, the rock and roll bed, and then the front seats are underneath there. So we'll start getting it out, and then we can place it into the vehicle, and then we can show a little bit more as we put it all together. All right.
So there we are, all in.
All in, all very good.
Took a morning, but there we are. We got there in the end.
A couple of hours, yeah,
something like that.
Yeah.
It's great, wasn't it? Because we've got loads of stuff that was just straight out of the van that was put in, like the beautiful kind of seat cushions here.
Yes.
And these are great. I really love these. These are ones from VanWorks. These boards, the seat cushion
rock and roll bed,
which I love because they've got the little captive nuts on the back of them, so you're not
very well made.
fiddling around with tappers or anything like that. Right. It's just set them straight in.
And everything marked up really nicely, and all slotted in really well, didn't it? So.
Yeah, and we got the cushions up top, which are also looking really super smart.
Yep.
Things at the back as well. You've done a little bit of custom stuff around the edges here as well, just to tidy up some of those edges.
So you've got a nice little carpet around the edge. So yeah, I mean, generally I think it just finishes it off really nicely. All the trim work and the doors, etc., and the panels and the seats. Yeah, it's really I think it suits it really well. This fabric's just.
I think so as well. Like I like how the whole thing has managed to follow that theme. You've got so many different things going on with the greys and the kind of light greys, dark greys, browns, wood effects, and everything. And it's also the colour of the van. But I think it has really tied itself all together.
I think, honestly, I think it suits the van superbly. To be fair, honestly, I really think it does. And the dark wood, they sets it all off really nicely. So
it is a nice contrast.
I think they're going to be pleased with it.
So I'm really excited to get the cabinets from VanWorks, which should be arriving in a couple of weeks, and that's kind of the finishing touches. And then we can really reveal what the full process looks like at the very end.
Nice, yeah. Looking forward to that. It'd be lovely.
Well, I'm super impressed.
Lovely.
It's really good job.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. I'm very excited to be showing this off to everybody who wants to pay attention.
Good. Well, no, lovely. It's always very nice to do it, and it's lovely when you see it all come together like this. So, no, looking forward to seeing the full thing. So, yeah, thank you very much.
We'll see you again soon.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Cheers. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
So I think you'll agree that it definitely makes such a huge difference when you get any kind of upholstery into a camper van, but something as quality as what Trim Classics have put together makes the absolute world of difference. It really means a lot to us that we can take something that's so kind of complete as a camper van. It's got so many different ways that it can be enjoyed, so many different ways that it can be an expression of the owner, and to really take that into every part of what we do. So now the electric conversion side of things that we take care of centrally is all pretty reliable and does a really great job. So being able to put these real personal touches like this beautiful upholstery is such a brilliant way of finishing off such a gorgeous camper van. It's not quite finished yet. There's still some cabinets that are going to be arriving that are going to completely finish off this vehicle. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss the next video and the next installment in this beautiful camper's journey. Thank you so much for watching. If you want any more information on our electric conversions, then head to edubconversions.co.uk, where you'll be able to find loads of information. There's brochures to download, and you can book a call with one of our team here in the workshop to have a look around and get some of your questions answered. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.